Well, we now know at least 2 people are dead after an explosion rocked an Indianapolis neighborhood overnight, leveling homes there, and it forced about 200 people from that area. Take a look at the video that's into our newsroom. This is what the smoke and the flames looked like last night. Local police and Homeland Security are still investigating what happened. It sent debris flying into the air. Several people taken to hospitals with injuries overnight.
My wife was downstairs in our family room and she started screaming my name. She was covered with glass. Our whole house, the windows had been blown out. And as we came out down the street, my wife was yelling to see if there were anybody still that needed help. And one of our neighbors was trapped in the basement and he was looking at me, and I did my best to keep a flashlight on him. I tried to get to him, but I couldn't. And 2 firemen came around, but I don't know if he made it or not.
Now, earlier this morning, police were going through the rubble, doing a house-by-house search for anyone who might still be trapped. The cause of that situation still unknown at this hour.